today we'll see a session on Ambu bag. How to use Ambu bag, what all things we have to keep in mind before using the Ambu bag into the patient. First I want to tell you what is the full form of Ambu bag. The full form of Ambu is Artificial Manual Breathing Unit, in which condition it would be very much useful. The first and foremost is when the patient got crashed and you have to give the rescue breaths to the patient. At that moment this Ambu bag is very useful. Secondly, when the patient is intubated, when the patient is on ventilator and you have to send the patient for some investigation, at that time you have to shift the patient from one critical department to the investigation center. At that time you cannot shift the patient along with the ventilator, but you have to disconnect the ventilator and you have to give the rescue breaths with the help of Ambu bag. So it is very much important to use the Ambu bag properly. This is the Ambu bag, and while before giving Ambuing to the patient, you have to assemble some of the things, that is the connector, oxygen pipeline. Second one is the reservoir bag, if it is needed you can use it. Then the face mask, and this is the Ambu bag. This all things you have to keep ready before Ambuing the patient. Now we'll see the Ambu bag. This is the adult Ambu bag, and its capacity is 1000 ml to 1500 ml. Along with the adult, another Ambu bag is also available for the pediatrics and the neonate. The capacity for the pediatrics is 500 ml to 750 ml, and for the neonate is 250 ml to 350 ml. Now we'll see the parts of Ambu bag. The Ambu bag is divided into the three parts. The lower part is known as the inlet. The middle part is known as the self-inflating bag, and the front part, that is the outlet of this Ambu bag. Now first we'll see the inlet of the patient. The inlet itself is having the two ports. The first port through which you can supply the oxygen, it is also known as the oxygen nipple. The second port, you can see that port is used to attach the reservoir bag. If you want to give the 100% oxygen to the patient, then you have to attach the reservoir bag. This is the reservoir bag. You can attach over here and you can give 100% concentrated oxygen to the patient. But this reservoir bag is not available, then simply you can give with the help of oxygen supply, through which you can give 45 to 50% concentrated oxygen. The middle part is known as the self-inflating bag, and the front part, this is the outlet part of the Ambu bag. This is the neck, and this outlet part which is attached with the patient face mask, through which you can give the rescue breaths. In the outlet you can see inside the fish like mouth, through which you can give the breaths to the patient, and it is one valve system. Once you will deflate the bag, you can see the mouth of the fish gets wide up, and once you will release, the mouth of the fish gets closed up, so that the patient exhalation will not get into it. So that is the importance of fish mouth. Now the outlet is getting attached with the face mask. So now you can attach the face mask with the outlet. So now you have attached the face mask and this face mask you can apply to the patient face. And on the back side, you have to give oxygen to the, you have to start with the oxygen. So this is the oxygen tubings. One port you have to connect to the oxygen nipple like this, and the another port you have to connect to the oxygen cylinder and start the oxygen. Now before applying this AMBU bag to the patient, you have to check the AMBU whether it is working or not. So how you will check? You have to check the outlet and you have to check the inlet as well. So how you will check? You have to just remove this mask. While checking it, before inflating the self-inflating bag, you have to just press it onto the face side, like the outlet side, then deflate the bag. If no any leak, the air will not go out. But if there is leak onto the outlet side, even though you have pressed it, the air will come out. So there is some default, you have to check it out. But if it is totally resistant, then no any leak. Same way you have to check for the inlet as well. So how you will check it out? You have to just press it, the self-inflating bag, then you have to press the two ports. You have pressed and your self-inflating bag is not coming back to the normal, means there is no leak into the bag. It is totally perfect. Now you are ready to go with the AMBU bag. So now we'll see onto the patient that how we will apply this AMBU bag onto the patient to give the rescue breaths. So this is my patient. Now I have to give rescue breaths to my patient. My patient got crashed and now CPR is on, and after 30 compressions I have to give 2 rescue breaths. So what is the technique to apply the AMBU onto the patient? How to apply the mask onto the patient? That is main technique, that is a EC clamp technique. The index finger and the thumb, you have to press it onto the mask so that no any leak will take place. And with the 3 fingers, these 3 fingers you have to place onto the mandible, and then you have to give the sniffing position. It is also known as head tilt chin lift position. After this position you maintain, then you have to give the AMBU. Then release it. Release it. So in 6 seconds you have to give 1 rescue breath. Okay, so that is a technique we can use onto the patient so that we can give the effective rescue breaths into the patient. Thank you.